In this video, I'm going to remove some stones so that I can layer this word on the rhinestone file. Okay, I'm going to go closer and I will send this to the back. Okay, send this to the back, and then now I see exactly which stones I have to remove. I will ungroup this. Okay, ungroup the stones and I will take them separately. Ungroup this one too. So I will go in. Okay, I need to, the stones I need to remove, I see them. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Actually, all the stones that touch the image, I need to remove. Okay. This one too. Okay. Let me see what I have done. I think there should be one here. And this one I'm gonna bring down a little bit. And then I'm gonna place another one here. And I think let's see, one here. One here and then one here. Okay, I think I have this part. I'll go to the Y. Okay, yep, on the Y. I will have to ungroup this again. Ungroup. Okay, and then I'll go to zoom in. I'll zoom in. So all the stones that touch the vinyl, the text, I'm holding shift right now and I'm selecting them. All these stones I will have to remove. Okay, this one is here. Maybe I can put this here and move this a little bit to the side. Let me see what I have. This one is too. This one shouldn't be here. Okay. I think I'm good. Yep. Yeah, so you can layer it together with the design. Okay, I'm going to group all my stones again. Select them all and group them all. And group this one too, because I ungrouped it. The others were already grouped, so I'm just going to group the whole thing. All the rhinestone parts. Okay, now I'm going to check how many stones I need for this project. Come on now. Okay, I need 1006 rhinestones for this part. Okay, and the birthday, let's make the birthday red too. Okay, I'll put them together. Okay, this is our file. This file is big, like 8" by 10.1. I would say 10.5 because you always have to be careful with the size of an image. I'll take here 8 and hit 10.5.